Paying for antivirus software is a waste of money. I'm going to show you 2 free ways to clear all malware and viruses from your computer, potentially even make it work faster. The first one will show you how to stop any active virus, and the second one will show you how to clear them. And it does it all itself. You don't have to do anything. The first one is going to be Transcript. So this is a batch of programs that scan your computer and that clear viruses and malware, all batched into one list, and it'll all run at the same time or one after the other. I'll link this in the description so you don't have to hunt around for it, and then you scroll all the way to the bottom and hit this download link here. Now I've already done this, so I'm not going to do it again. It will simply start downloading here. Once it's done, you can just open your File Explorer and go to Downloads, and then it'll be right here. It'll be an exe file. What you do then is you simply double click that exe file, and it'll kind of export it. It'll run it and download whatever it needs to be able to run. And while it's doing that, it's going to give you a message saying this could potentially harm your computer. Don't worry about it. It's not going to harm anything. Just follow the prompts there. It'll ask you to say "I agree" in all caps. Simply do that. It will finish its process, and then it'll be ready to go. There will be a list of multiple files here. But before you do that, give yourself a folder. I went into Documents and I created a Tron folder, and then I moved the files into here. So once it's finished going through that process, there will be multiple folders and files here. If you want to run it, you simply double click on the Tron folder, and then it'll be the bottom one here saying Tron. I have file extensions enabled, so it's also giving me the file extension here. In your case, it'll probably just say Tron. Then you right click on that and run it as administrator to run it. More on that in a bit. Before we go on, we're also going to download and install the other program, which is rkill. So what rkill does is it stops the process or the malware or whatever virus you have going on. That might be doing something in the background, running and creating more pop-ups, and you need to be able to stop it. So the first thing you'll do is run rkill. So to get rkill, you can simply search up download rkill. I got it from this one here. You simply hit this download now, and then same thing, it'll start downloading up here. And then once that's done, it'll be an exe file in your downloads. So what you want to do then, when it's in your downloads, is also copy it into the same Tron folder, so they're all in one. And then whenever you have a virus going on or something critical going on, you simply quickly go to this Documents folder, into the Tron folder, and run rkill. So this is what it looks like when you first open it up. It pretty much goes right into its thing by itself. You don't have to do anything. So here it's already saying no malware services found to stop. Now it's going through other checks. Okay, so now it's done. It'll give you the time that it took to complete that process. You'll get a pop-up. You can simply hit OK. And then it'll also give you a log file here, basically telling you everything that it's done. You can just exit out of that. So we could see here that there was nothing to stop. If there was something, it would have stopped it and given you the message there, that, and also in the log file it would say what it stopped. So after running that, you can now run the Tron script. So let's go into this Tron folder. Before we do that, I'm going to go back to the downloads here. So when you download Tron script, it'll be an exe file like this. You simply double click on it, And then it'll, like I said, download whatever it needs to be able to run. And those files and folders will show up here. So you want all those to be in that folder. So if I go to my documents inside the Tron folder, all those folders and whatever it has created is all in here. With this folder, if I go up one directory, this folder, it doesn't matter what you call it. You can call it emergency, exclamation mark, whatever. It doesn't have any impact. So once you have all this done, you want to go into the Tron folder, and then, like I said, to Tron, you want to right click on it and run it as administrator. And this will also just do its thing all by itself. Initially, it will might download an update. In my case, when I first launched it, there was a newer version of TronScript available, so I downloaded that, and it gave me a red screen saying this could damage my computer. I simply ignored that and just typed out "I agree" in all caps and hit enter, and then it went on from there. So now it's going through its process. Now this could take some time as it is doing a lot. There's a lot going on here and a lot of things that it's going through. So you'll have to just sit there and give it time. The TronScript is now finished and it's saying 0 for everything, no disk space reclaimed. But there's a message below that saying don't panic, even if maybe your disk space has gone down. You have to reboot your computer in order to get the updated results and to really make that take effect. So looking at our total storage space right now, I have 63.9 gigabytes free of 237. I'm going to restart this computer and then see if that updates at all.